In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete all your YouTube videos at once. You can simply remove all your YouTube content at once in just few simple steps. To do this, just log in into your Google account that's connected to your YouTube channel. On this page, tap on these three lines right here. Then scroll down onto the Settings option. On the Settings page, tap on this first option, then select your Info, Privacy, and Security. Head into your Data and Privacy. Then you will have to scroll down onto Delete a Google server. On this page, select YouTube right here. Then tap on the Delete icon. You will have to select and agree on these options. Then tap on Delete My Content. All your channel content will get deleted at once successfully. That's how easy it is to delete all your YouTube videos at once. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.